Hey y'all, let's make creamy rice pudding or arroz con leche. I'm starting with 1 cup of rice. You can really use any rice you like. I'm using long grain, but jasmine or even sushi rice works great since it's stickier and gives you that extra creamy texture. Add the rice to a pot after washing it with some water and a pinch of salt. Then cook it according to the package instructions. If you notice the water gets absorbed too quickly, just add a little more boiling water to keep it nice and soft. Then go ahead and add Nido milk powder instead of regular milk. I find it makes the pudding much creamier. Just mix the powder with hot water to dissolve it, then let it cook together with the rice. Keep stirring until the powder is fully mixed in. Next, add vanilla. I used vanillin powder, but vanilla extract works as well. And then, a half a can of condensed milk. I didn't use the whole can because I like to control the sweetness, but you can adjust it to your tastes. Keep stirring and let it simmer until most of the liquid evaporates and the pudding gets creamy and thick. Once it's ready, let it cool slightly before serving. I love serving mine warm because it's so cozy and perfect for this time of the year. But you can also enjoy it cold or at room temperature. Totally up to you. To finish, I sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. And that's it. Creamy sweets and comforting arroz con leche. Hope you enjoy it and I'll see you in the next one.